Welcome back to Motor Vision, the place where passion meets performance, and the world's most exciting machines come to life. Today, we're diving into a moment that car enthusiasts have been dreaming about for decades. The legend returns. This is the brand new, next-generation 2026 Mazda RX-7, officially unveiled, and it's more than just a car. It's a statement, a rebirth of an icon that once redefined Japanese sports cars and still holds a place in the hearts of petrolheads around the globe. Mazda has finally answered the prayers of Rotary fans, blending nostalgic design cues with cutting-edge technology and performance. This is not a remake, it's a reimagining for a new era. From the moment you first lay eyes on the 2026 RX-7, you know you're looking at something special. Mazda's design team has pulled off the perfect balance between respecting the RX heritage and embracing modern aerodynamics. The proportions are low, wide, and aggressively purposeful, with an impossibly sleek silhouette that cuts through the air with minimal resistance. The front end features a sharper, more angular evolution of Mazda's Kodo design language, with a wide stance, adaptive LED headlights that resemble a hunter's gaze, and a sculpted hood hinting at the power that lies beneath. The side profile showcases flowing body lines that transition seamlessly from nose to tail, while the rear is all business, muscular haunches, a prominent integrated spoiler, and futuristic 3D LED taillights that echo the shape of the iconic FD RX-7. Of course, the real magic of the RX-7 has always lived under the hood, and Mazda didn't disappoint. The 2026 model introduces the latest evolution of the Rotary engine, the 1.6-liter SkyActiv-R twin-rotor unit, now turbocharged for blistering performance. Thanks to advanced engineering, including lightweight internals and cutting-edge cooling solutions, this new Rotary puts out an estimated 400 horsepower, while maintaining the high-revving character fans adore. Mazda's engineers have worked tirelessly to address past concerns about fuel efficiency and emissions, integrating a hybrid, electric assist system that not only improves performance but also helps the RX-7 meet modern environmental standards. This electrification isn't here to dilute the experience, it's here to enhance it, delivering instant torque and seamless acceleration from the moment you touch the throttle. Performance is further amplified by a lightweight aluminum chassis and carbon fiber reinforced panels that keep the curb weight astonishingly low, allowing the RX-7 to dance through corners with razor-sharp precision. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a newly developed 6-speed manual gearbox for purists, with an optional 8-speed dual-clutch automatic for those who crave lightning-fast shifts. The suspension setup is fully adjustable, blending track-ready stiffness with everyday comfort, and step inside, and the driver-focused philosophy becomes even clearer. The 2026 RX-7's interior is a blend of high-tech, precision, and minimalistic beauty, with every element designed to keep your attention on the road ahead. You're greeted by deeply bolstered leather and Alcantara sport seats that hug you in place during aggressive driving. The dashboard layout is clean and uncluttered, dominated by a fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized to display performance data, navigation, or a traditional Rotary-inspired tachometer. The center console houses a floating touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated into the design and loaded with the latest connectivity features, including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose audio system. Subtle carbon fiber accents and brushed aluminum trim add a sense of motorsport pedigree, while the flat-bottom steering wheel and short-throw shifter remind you this is a machine built for drivers. Mazda has also taken safety and driver assistance seriously, equipping the RX-7 with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for urban maneuvering. But make no mistake, these systems are here for convenience, not to take away from the raw, connected driving experience. When you switch the car into its sport or track modes, the electronics fade into the background, allowing you to fully engage with the chassis, steering, and engine in a way that feels refreshingly analog in today's overly digital automotive landscape. What's even more exciting is Mazda's commitment to making the RX-7 not just a limited collector's piece, but a real production sports car that enthusiasts can actually get their hands on. While pricing details are still under wraps, Insiders suggest it will be positioned competitively against rivals like the Toyota Supra, Nissan Z, and even certain European sports coupes. That means more people will get the chance to experience Rotary magic firsthand, not just admire it from afar. On the road, early test drives from select journalists have described the RX-7 as surgically precise, beautifully balanced, and a pure driver's car in a world that's forgotten how to make them. The Rotary soundtrack has been tuned to perfection, smooth and exotic at low revs, but building into a spine-tingling wail as you approach redline. The hybrid assist adds a modern twist, filling in torque gaps and delivering instant acceleration that makes overtaking effortless. And thanks to improved cooling and sealing technology, reliability is expected to be far better than any Rotary before it. Mazda knows the RX-7 name carries legendary weight, and they've delivered a car that doesn't just live up to it, it evolves it for a new generation. This is more than a revival. It's a bold statement that lightweight, high-revving, driver-focused sports cars still have a place in a future dominated by SUVs and autonomous tech. The 2026 RX-7 is proof that passion and innovation can coexist, and that dreams from the past can fuel the excitement of tomorrow. So, what does this mean for the sports car world? It means we're entering a new golden age, where heritage meets progress in the most thrilling way possible. The 2026 Mazda RX-7 is here to remind us why we fell in love with driving in the first place, and why, no matter how much the industry changes, some things will never go out of style. That's all for today's deep dive into the rebirth of the Mazda RX-7. If you're as excited as we are about this return of a legend, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Motor Vision, and ring the bell so you never miss our coverage of the world's most exciting machines. Until next time, keep your eyes on the road, your hands on the wheel, and your heart in the drive.